Hello everyone, this is a quick video on how to file a protest using sailtalks.com. So first you want to go to the home page and make sure you're logged in. We're currently logged in so that we can start a SailTalk. So this will bring you to the /whiteboard page. In this page it's like normal SailTalks, and you can make your diagrams by dragging boats. But let's start with a fresh whiteboard. So if we go to the tools and scroll all the way down, we can clear the board. And then using the nav bar on the left, we can add boats. And for this situation, we're going to do a starboard port. So if I double click a boat, it'll add a second frame. And if I double click the frame, it'll make a third frame, and so on. And let's say you are a red boat, and in this situation, you had to duck a port boat. They didn't avoid you, and you're trying to show that. So, and so you could draw your diagram, and this is ready to play, for example, and you could go back, you can edit this like a normal diagram, but you could also add some other tools like adding boat overlap. It wouldn't be useful in this situation, but ladders, grid lines, maybe a ladder line would be useful to see how you lost boat lengths or whatever it is. But the useful thing could be text boat. So in this you could explain what rule number, you could explain red boat ducks at frame 2, and then you could add another text bubble and say this is when red boat yells protest. Frame it to fit at frame 3, and whatever information that you think would be useful to defend your side in the protest room, right? So then you want to be able to share this. So you can either take a picture, screenshot, or you can save the lesson. So we will save this, and we'll make this called protest 1. And for you, in order to share a lesson, it has to be public, so we'll make it public. So then you'll see that it'll be added into your public lessons, and if you load it, or your own lessons, your private lessons, sorry, if you load it, you still have access to it. And if you want to make more changes, you can make the changes and then click quick save here if you'd like. And in the share button, you can export as an image, which will be a massive image file that you can crop and then share that digitally, or you can even share this with a SailTalks link. So now if you copy this link and you send it virtually for the protest committee, you could file your protest with this. So if you let's refresh the page, for example. So it's a blank page, but if I copy and paste this, you can't see my screen, but if you copy and paste this link into your browser for anybody, because it's a public lesson, it will automatically load your protest. And you can name your title whatever you want, and if you want to change your name, you can easily just go to your lessons and then click edit and then change the name here. And that's how you file a protest using SailTalks.